Aadhaar. Best, biggest, mandatory, not mandatory, data leaks, data security, wrong identities, will solve subsidies, right to privacy, Supreme Court, link the PAN card. What the hell is Aadhaar? We'll talk about all of this, but not today. Today, let's look at the basics, the what and why of Aadhaar. My name is Daman and welcome to Crux. Aadhaar, world's largest biometric ID system, meaning it's a unique 12-digit number given to us by UIDAI. UIDAI. The number is given to us after a verification process. Basically, we give our biometric information, fingerprint, iris scan, photo, and other bodily information. So can the government ask for my DNA? Interesting. Demographic information, name, address, date of birth, mobile number. Okay, so we give our information and we get this card as a proof of identity. No, it's actually a number. Your traditional cards have an identifier which show they are exclusive. For example, a voter ID card has a hologram and a signature, which defines its uniqueness. A credit card has a small chip-like thing. Aadhaar, on the other hand, is just plain. It has a QR code, but then that's easy to copy. Think of Aadhaar more like a mobile number. So when you want to use Aadhaar as a proof of identity, you need to authenticate it. Like Paytm asks for an OTP to authenticate a mobile number. Similarly, biometric information or an OTP is required to authenticate our Aadhaar number. गड़बड़ थोड़ी यहाँ हो रही है. Aadhaar is being accepted as a proof of identity without authentication. Please comment करो नीचे if you have seen an instance of Aadhaar being used as a proof of identity without authentication. So Aadhaar number private नहीं है. दे दो किसी को भी. No. Again, it's like a mobile number. The government puts it well. If somebody gets your Aadhaar number, doesn't mean they can hack you or get the services you deserve or access your biometric information. But it's generally not prudent to share your Aadhaar number. Like girls don't give me their mobile numbers. Also remember that QR code thing? Well, if you scan the QR code, you do get some information like name, gender, date of birth, locality. But they won't get a fingerprint, etc., which is the key to authentication. Now this needs to be clarified. Aadhaar number ka leak and Aadhaar info ka leak are two different things. Mostly Aadhaar number ka leak hua hai. Why do we need an Aadhaar? Two reasons. It's accurate. We have so many welfare schemes, services which the government provides us. And with that, we have heard as many corruption stories as well. Corruption kaise hoti hai? Fake IDs and cards are used by the corrupt to take the services and the people who deserve them don't get them. Now comes Aadhaar. You can get a fake ID. Fake अंगूठा कहाँ से लाओगे? It's efficient. No more paperwork. Need to authenticate? Just give your number and your fingerprint. Done. It's like a login with Facebook button for government services. Now think about it. A small family in a remote village of UP, Manipur, Kerala or any other state can get the services it deserves without having to worry about corruption or paperwork. That's the great Indian dream, right?
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
वो बाद में देखेंगे. That's it for today. बस इतनी बात करनी थी. Why? Because चिल्ला तो सब रहे हैं. We thought थोड़ा समझ के देखें. This experiment called Crux is going to put out more videos trying to understand shit. Do comment, like, subscribe, marry and adopt us and watch this space for more.